In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your birthday on PayPal. This is especially useful if you noticed a mistake when you first created your account, or if PayPal has asked you to correct your personal details for verification purposes. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Then log into your account as you normally would. Once you've signed in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard, sometimes called your account summary. This is the main page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and shortcuts to different tools. From this dashboard page, move your attention to the top or bottom menu where you can find the help option. The exact location can vary slightly depending on your region or any design updates, but it will clearly be labeled help. Go ahead and click on help. This will open PayPal's support area where you can search for topics or get in touch with their support team. On the help page, look for a link or button that says contact us. This is usually highlighted because it's the main way to reach customer support. Click on contact us to open the different contact options available for your account, which might include phone, chat, or messaging. Next, you'll want to select the option called message us. This is PayPal's secure messaging system, which lets you chat with their virtual assistant first and then connect to a human agent if needed. Click on Message Us to open the chat window. Once the messaging window is open, click into the text field at the bottom to start typing your request. In clear and simple language, explain that you want to change the date of birth on your PayPal account. For example, you can write something like, "Hi, I need help correcting my birth date on my account. How can I update this information?" Send your message, and you'll either get automated instructions or be connected to a customer service agent. The agent may ask you to confirm some details about your account and might request documentation, such as a photo of an official ID, to verify your real date of birth. Follow their instructions carefully, upload any documents through the secure portal if they ask, and wait for them to confirm that the change has been made. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be in direct contact with PayPal support